Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir classes. This is Himadri Datta. So in today's class we will be solving question number 10 from MSQE PEB 2017. So first I will read out the question. So it goes like this. There are two individuals B and J discover a stream of mountain spring water. They each separately decide to bottle some of this water and sell it. For simplicity, presume that the cost of production is zero and the market demand for bottled water is given by this, where P is the price per bottle and Q is the number of bottles. So, what would Bishal's output Q be, Julie's output QJ, and the market price be if two individuals behaved as a Cournot duopolis? So, it is a Cournot duopolis model. So, here we have to find out the QB, QJ, and P of this and which option is right. So, first, what we'll do is we will write down the things which are given. That is, price is given. So the price is given by question number 10. So the price is given by 90 minus 0.25 Q. So the price is given by 90 minus 0.25 Q, and B and J behave like Cournot duopolist. B and J behave like Cournot duopolist. Now the cost of production is zero. So the cost of production is zero. So the cost of production is zero. Now the profit function could be written as the profit function for B 90 minus 0.25 QJ. So it is written as 90 minus 0.25 QJ minus 0.25 QB. So it can also be written as 90 minus 0.25 QJ minus 0.25 QB. Now if you differentiate this profit function with respect to QB, you will get the value to be equals to 90 minus 0.25 QJ minus 0.5 QB equals to 0. So if you differentiate this equation with respect to QB, from here you will get this entire term. So here QB square, it will be QB square if you multiply with this. This is why it has become 0.5 QB, which we would equate with 0. Now from here we can find 0.5 QB. If you take it on the right hand side, you will get the value of 0.5 QB equals to 90 minus 0.25 QJ. So this is the equation which we have got. That is 0.5 QB equals to 90 minus 0.25 QJ. Now we'll write down the profit equation for J. So the profit equation for J would look like this: 90 minus 0.25 90 minus 0.5 QJ minus 0.25 QB, which we would multiply with QJ. So now this is the profit function. So now what we will do is we'll simply differentiate this profit function with respect to QJ. The way we did in terms of QB, we'll do the same with QJ. So then if you differentiate this, you will get the value to be equals to 90 minus 0.25 Qj minus 0.25 QB. So if this becomes this, so if this becomes multiplied with this, so the value would be 0.5 QJ. So we have got the equation to be like this, which we would equate with 0. So from here you will get the value of QB to be 0.25 QB equals to 90 minus 0.5 QJ. So we have found 0.25 QB equals to 90 minus 0.5 QJ. So from here we have found the value to be equals to this from here, and we have found the value of this to be equals to this from here. Now simply if we equate this two, that is, if you equate this equation with this equation, you will get the value to be equals to, hence 2 into 90 minus 0.5 Q is equals to 90 minus 0.5 QJ. So it will be 2 into 90 minus 0.5 QJ equals to 90 minus 0.5 QJ. So now which will be equals to QJ equals to 90 by 0.75, which is nothing but 9000 by 75. If you solve it, you will get the value to be 120. So we have found the value of QJ to be 120. Now we'll try to find the value of QB. So if you remember the equation that we found, we simply put the value of QJ in that equation, and we'll find the value of this to be. So now if you solve this equation, sorry for some technical difficulties, I just got a call from someone, so we had to stop the video. So I'll continue with this. We have found the QB to be equals to 90 minus 0.5 into 120 divided by 0.25. Now if you solve this, you will get the value to be equals to 90 minus 60 into 4, which is 30 into 4. So 120. So we have found the value of QB to be 120. So value of QJ equals to 120 and value of QB is also 120. So the total quantity will be 120 plus 120 equals to 240. So we have found the total quantity to be 240. Now from here we can find the price, so which will be equals to, the price will be equals to 90 minus 0.25 into 240. So if you solve this, you will get the value to be equals to 90 minus 60, which is 30. So we have found the price to be 30. Now we'll go to the question again. So in the question number 10, the option C is the right answer. As you can see here, QB is 120, QJ is 120 and price is 30. So today we solve question number 10 from MSQE PEB 2017. So the answer would be option number C. So in the subsequent videos, we'll solve other question from MSQE PEB 2017. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.shoutofsirclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will get to see a lot of other links which are needed to create MSQE PEB entrance exam. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.